Hi there, welcome to my channel TestTube Studio. Today we will see how to install Maven in Eclipse. Okay, so first of all, but we see that why we need Maven. Okay, so after that we will see download and install Maven into our system. Okay, then give the path in environment variables. After that we will see that check and make a new Maven project through command prompt. Okay, so let's start. Now, to understand that why we need Maven, so suppose you have 2000 test cases which are to be divided among 4 testers. So everyone has 500 test cases. Now everyone start coding. Okay, but what happens that this tester 1 is using the Selenium version 3, this tester is using the Selenium version 2, or this tester 3 is using the Selenium number, you can say 3.1, 3.2. Okay, now when they merge their code, then there will be a disaster. Okay, so to eradicate this problem, we use Maven repository, and there is a POM.xml file in everyone's project. Whatever the version this file has, now suppose Selenium, say 3.0, okay, say OI API version of say 2.5, any version. So if this file is with all the testers like tester 1, tester 2, tester 3, tester 4, okay, then they will download the same version from the Maven repository. Okay? So the logic is behind that everyone has the same version. So whatever the version is there in the pom.xml file, it will download from the Maven repository. Now we will see how to download and install Maven into our system. So for that, we have to go to Google and type download Maven. Okay. Now this is the official website of, you can say, maven.apache.org. Okay. Click on this. Okay. And scroll below. There you have some files. Okay. So you have to go for zip file. Okay. Now it's a binary zip archive. Okay. Click on this. Now it will download something like this. Okay, and then you have to extract this rar file, okay, and copy that folder and paste it. Okay, now I have put it in my D folder. Okay, here you can see D Apache Maven. So this is your how your Maven looks like. No exe file, no something. Now we see that how to give path in environment variables. Now type environment, and here you can see edit the system environment variables. Click on this, then click on environment variables. Okay, now here, first of all, where your Maven, you have put your Maven, you have to copy 2 paths. First, this path, and second, this path. Now, first of all, we will see this path, D Apache Maven, and the version number. Copy whole path, whole folder path. You can say, okay, come here in the under system variables. Okay, now you have to write like this, like I have already done. I will show it to you. Maven underscore home in capitals, and this address of your where your files are lying. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, now after that you have to, under system variables, look for path. Now this is a path. Click on edit. Okay, now here you have to give the bin folder path. Okay, now this path, copy this folder, copy this path, and come here. You have to click on new. I have already given a path here. You can see over here D Apache Maven version number /bin. No sign after the bin, no slash. Okay, just remember this, there should be no slash after the bin. Okay, okay, click on OK. Okay, now after that we have to check that it is there in our system and make a new Maven project through command prompt. So first of all, we will check that Maven is there in our system or not. You have to go to command prompt. Yes, just type cmd. Here just type mvn and just press enter. Now you can see Here something scanning for projects, build failure. So it is showing you something. Okay, so it is there in your system, but it if it is says like unrecognized command, then you have not can say your something is mistake from your side. Then you have to follow the steps again and restart your system. Now we will see how to make a project. You can see this is your workspace. This is your workspace. Okay, copy this workspace. Just Control C. Go to your command prompt, or I will open a new command prompt. Then cd space my workspace path. Now I have entered my workspace path. You have to write something like mvn space, just space archetype, archetype column generate. Okay, just press enter. Now now you can see it has downloaded something, but here you can see some number over here. So you have to give exact number which is written over here. Now 2293, and then I will write 2293. Okay, now here you can see the version number. So I have to choose between 1 to 9. Don't go for the alpha versions, go with the latest version 9. Press enter. Okay, now it will ask you for the group ID. Here you can put anything, like you can say POM.xml. Okay, now artifact ID, this is your project name. I will just write say Maven project from cmd, name it as say 123, because there is already project lying in my workspace, so I will give it with double D. Okay, press enter, just leave it behind, and just press enter again, just press enter again. Okay, then it says, it's ask you, so just press Y. Okay, now you can see build success. Okay, now I will open this location. Now here you can see two projects are there. Now I will go inside. Now here you can see POM.xml. If I open this, now here you can see dependency management, dependencies. So we have to give the version number of particular dependency inside this dependencies tag. Okay, now but right now you can see that it is not there in our Eclipse. So for that, first of all, I will copy the path of my project. Again, go into command prompt, cd space. Yeah, now I'm inside my project. Now here I will write mvn space eclipse column Eclipse. Okay. Now it has downloaded some files. Okay, and it says build success. Now if I look over my project, now you can see class path dot project. Here, just go here, file. Okay, and say go to import. Okay, say in our general tab, just existing project into workspace. Next. Okay. Now you have to give the path here. Okay, now select folder. Okay, here you can see finish button. Just click on finish button. Okay, now there is a project. Now here you can see source test Java, source main Java. Okay, now in our source main, the package name com.selenium, which we have give. Okay, and inside this we have two files, app.java. Okay, and here you can see app test.java. Okay, so here you can add as many files in source main Java or source test Java. Basically we put test files under here, and we put common files under source main Java. Okay, so This is how you can create a Maven project through command prompt. In this video, we have seen that why we need Maven, how to download and install. We give path and environment variables. Check and make a new Maven project through command prompt. Okay, if you like this video, please like and follow for more smart Selenium Java tips. Thank you.